Hello friends, like you've ever wanted to send money from a certain country to another country for free, but you failed to find a platform where you can do that for free. So it's quite challenging that you can be having some friend or something you want to buy from a friend, maybe a server or something, or a trick or something you want to buy, anything you want to buy, but you find yourself that you can't purchase that thing because it's there is this international rates things and so on and so on. So today I want to show you something very simple you can use, and you can send money from wherever you are to that place free of charge without any charge. So keep watching as well. You're welcome to this channel. My name is Scott UG. So you'll be getting more and more from this. You'll be getting more and more from this channel. So I have lots of videos on this channel which are made and they are quite interesting. If you find one, you can go on and try to go through, see what you can get good from this channel. So let's get started. So you might have heard this app, but you don't know how to use it, and you might have heard of whatever I've been seeing that advert and it's not working out for you. So today I want to introduce to you what we call Cheaper Cash, and it's an app which you can use to send money from wherever you are and to that destination for free without any charge. However, you only have to create an account with them so that you get verified with a national ID, a passport, or any valid document which they request. So I'm going to take you through the sign up processes, and through this you'll get some cash back, trust me. So let me open up some of my account I created just to show you. So this is not a personal account, it's just an account I created because I want to show you something here. So with this, you can be able to create to buy airtime for any other person, to trade, to invest in Bitcoin. You can see you can buy and sell Bitcoin as well with a live stimulation of the prices as well. You can do lots of things. You see some of the transactions I've never made so far on this demo account. I just created this transaction so that it can help you to see that what I'm saying is true. It's quite a long time since this thing has been in existence. Okay, now here's the app. So I'm gonna show you and which are quite very easy. So let me log out this account and we see. So when you open up for this account, when you open up this APK, this is what comes. So what you need to do is to only click open a free account. So after clicking open free account, all you need to do is to enter a number which you want to use. So I'm going to use a Ugandan number. Okay, so let me enter that number. So after you entering that number, then you only click next. So I'll click next. Make sure you use the number, don't use the email, please. The email is for. Then after, they will send you a verification code which you're seeing on the screen there. So it's what I'm going to enter. So let me enter that code. Revalidate. It's also you enter the name which you want here to use. So let me see which name should we use. So let me enter the names. So here I've used the channel names, but remember it's saying please enter the legal name. So you enter the names which are on your ID or the ID you're going to enter. Remember it's either national ID, a driver's permit, or a passport. So you get note of that. Next, they'll ask you for the birth. So you enter the ID, you enter the birth of which the birthday which is on your ID. Okay, we are done with that. So this is not my real information. So the next thing you have to do is to click next. Here they will be asking you for the tag which you want to use. So this will be the Cheaper Cash tag, just like the Twitter tag, that one you wanna use. So here I might say Scott UG, but I think I have an account already in Scott UG. So you can even select Scott UG one. So that one is available. So we can say next. Now here they can say what is your address, so you can enter your address there. Okay, after you going through all those steps, you reach to this level whereby they ask you to use mobile money, to use for mobile money. So if I recommend for you to use this to select any of the line which you use on mobile money. So I'm going to select one. And then after that, they will tell you, they will ask about who you are. So for registration purposes. So all you need to do here is to select your national ID, city of birth, country of birth, and your gender. So let us fill that together. After you filling that, they will come to the level whereby you will have to enter your PIN. So I'll choose a PIN. So I'll enter this PIN. Let me enter. Which PIN should I choose? I think let me enter this. So you choose a PIN which are like 4 digits, but they shouldn't be recurring. So you can use any. Select the shillings which you wanna deal in. So these are the countries which you have to use. So it's South Africa, Tanzania, Nigeria, Kenya, Uganda. So depending on what we're here. So what we need to do here lastly is to verify our account so that we can make a transaction. And if you verify your account, automatically you will get what we call, they'll give you $1, that is around 3,000 Ugandan shillings. I don't know. So you just transfer it, you can exchange that. So let's verify our details. Now with the verification details, that you need to begin. You click begin, then you have to enter your PIN. So they will take you to their web verification page whereby they will verify your details. So let's click begin. Now they will ask for request to verify the camera. So click allow, then they will start, the camera will start. So what you need to do, you have to face you put your face. So you follow the details of whatever they are telling you. So whatever they are telling you. So now that is confirming the identity. They have confirmed your face. Okay. Now all you need to do is to click return to cheaper cash. Okay. Now after here, they will need you to verify either with your national ID or passport. So depending on what you use or what you have, but I would prefer you to use your national ID. It's better. So here you put your national ID in that square you're seeing, and then you snap, okay, the number on that in that space. So I'll put a number here because we are just using a demo here. So I'll put a number, then I'll say complete. But if you put false details, because they'll have to cross-check with your country's database or your country's authorities, so they will reject that within 3 to 5 days. So they will reject your account and you won't be able to transact for free. So you take note of that. So me, what I've done, I've put wrong details, but after I'm going to correct those details because I would like to use this account after. So this is what we're doing now. Okay. So after that, you have to wait for that time which they have given you. So you'll be able to, after verifying, you receive 3,000 shillings there if you're Ugandan. And then, okay, so what you do after that, all you need to do is to click earn, and then you enter the referral code. So you enter my referral code, which I've given you or which I've put in the description of this video. So when you enter that code, you'll be able to get 3,000 shillings for free. That is $1, which you can withdraw and use it for anything you want. So you enter that code I'll put in the description, you get that $1 prize. Okay, so